This right here is the Nikon ZFC or ZFC with the 28 f2.8 SE kit lens. So let's see. It is refurbished, so price was okay, it's decent. Below the 1,000 euros. Manuals that I'm never going to read because I'm gonna watch a YouTube video, I guess. Alright, so let's put it to the side. So this is the lens, of course, the lens itself. Okay, looks very old school, looks very classic, right? Looks quite classic. Alright, tiny, tiny. Okay, okay. Very cheap feeling, I have to say, cheap feeling, guys. Okay. So, neck strap, Nikon neck strap, battery charger. You can plug in the wall directly. Okay. Here it is, guys. This is what we want to see. The camera itself. Ooh. Wow. Nice stealthy black, right? I like it. This should be the what's called the thumbnail. This should be definitely the thumbnail, right? Wow. Okay, okay. Okay, you have to press the little thing in the middle, then it can move. This right, okay. Right. That's cool. You can see yourself and stuff. Low angle. Click, 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 click. Right. Battery compartment on the bottom. It does feel very cheap, guys, I have to say. It doesn't feel very robust at all. It kind of feels like a toy. Feels like a toy. Really feels like a toy. Alright, let's put the battery in it. And the SD card. Let's put the old SD card in it as well, guys. Okay. Alright. APC sensor. The feeling of this lens is very of this camera is like a little toy. It really feels like a toy, guys. Okay, Nikon is always the other way around. So let's see. Where is the little dot here? Alright. Okay, cool. I like the setup. I like how it looks. Nice. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright, very cool. Let's do a quick first impression type of thing. Alright, so let's set this up and see the first results. Alright, now shooting on the Nikon ZFC. How does it look? I think it looks actually pretty good on the little screen. Looks pretty good on the screen. Not sure about the sound, but I think it looks okay. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you want to know about this camera? If you got any questions, and I will do the full review in a couple of weeks or so. But as for now, I think it looks pretty good. Peace.